Hey guys, so I wanted to make a predicted layout POV before the official announcement next week. So I took a look at the footer maps, and based on the scale and rumors that have been going around, this is what I've come up with. We know this new addition will be going near Mango Joe's, and the outdoor eating area here will be the new queue area. So this is Shamu Stadium and the lake. It's rumored to be a quadruple launch and have a speed of about 55 miles an hour, as well as a holding brake as teased in the official trailer that SeaWorld released a few weeks ago. It doesn't seem to be the largest coaster, and the amount of inversions is unknown. I'd compare it to about the size of Skyrocket at Kennywood, just based on those rumors. Maybe it's a little bit bigger, but it will be built by Premier Rides. So the great part of this coaster is that even with the forward and backward launches, it does have a transfer track, which allows for more than one train on the circuit at a time. And overall, with a lot of unknowns, this is more of a concept of what could be done with the footer placement that has been released. So don't expect it to be as close as some of our other layouts that we've done. It's likely to be different, but it does look like a perfect addition for SeaWorld. We're super excited to see what comes of this announcement next week.